Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm doing some Record Store Day unboxings. This is for Record Store Day drop number 2 for 2020. This is the September 26th drop. All this stuff will be available online at our website starting at 1 o'clock Eastern Time. That's Saturday. The Jimmy Giuffre 3 and 4 New York concerts. It says previously unreleased on vinyl. Still has the April 18th, 2020 original Record Store Day date on it. This is on Elemental Music. Let's see, these recordings were never going to be released, but as soon as I heard them, I knew I had to do everything in my power to make these performances public for the first time in almost 50 years. All right, guys, let's take a look. All right. White polyline inners. No book, but there's quite a bit of liner notes on the inside of the jacket. Side A. Nice, super clean vinyl. Not warped, doesn't look to be any pressing defects. Disc made in the EU. Nice and flat. Yeah. Looks pretty solid. I'll be giving this a listen to tomorrow. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time.